Can you hear the sound of the perfect crispy skin? Today, we are making the ultimate air fryer duck breast with golden potatoes. It's easier than you think, and the taste is simply unforgettable. Let's cook. I slice the potatoes into thick wedges. They are the supporting act, but they need to be ready to catch all the flavor later. Let's focus on the star of the show. I bought this duck breast frozen and let it thaw slowly in the fridge for 24 hours. This is the safest way to preserve the texture. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness. Use paper towels to dry the skin completely. Next, score the skin in a diamond pattern. Be gentle. You only want to cut the fat, not the meat. This helps the fat render out, giving us that thin, crispy skin we want. Season generously with salt and pepper on all sides. Here is the secret to perfect duck. Start with a cold pan. Yes, cold. Place the duck skin side down, then turn on the heat to medium. We are not searing yet, we are rendering. We want to slowly melt that thick layer of fat. Cook it for about 10 minutes. Look at that golden color. Now flip it. We just want to kiss the meat side for 1 minute to seal it. Remove the duck and let it rest. But don't you dare throw away that fat in the pan. That is liquid gold. Now for the potatoes. I pour that hot rendered duck fat right over them. I save a little bit for the sauce later. Season with oregano, salt, garlic granules, and smoked paprika. Toss them well. Every wedge should be coated in flavor. Timing is everything. I'm using my dual zone air fryer. Since I have a lot of potatoes, I'm filling both baskets. The main basket, where the duck will go later, gets 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. The second basket needs a bit longer, so I set it for 22 minutes. While the potatoes are getting crispy, this is a great moment to hit that like button if you love learning these kitchen secrets. Halfway through, give the baskets a good shake. Now, watch this. In the main basket, I place a rack right over the potatoes. The duck goes on top, skin side up. I set it to 190 degrees for just 7 minutes. This is the magic of this method. As the duck finishes cooking, its juices will drip down onto the potatoes below. It's a flavor cascade. The 7 minutes are up. Let's check the result. The internal temperature is around 56 degrees Celsius. That is perfect medium rare. I remove the duck immediately. Now, listen closely. You must let the meat rest. If you cut it now, all the juices will run out. So while the duck relaxes on the board, we have the perfect amount of time to make our sauce. I crush a clove of garlic and grate some fresh orange zest. Into a saucepan goes the fresh orange juice, honey, apple cider vinegar, the garlic, and a sprig of thyme. And here is the flavor booster. I add the remaining rendered duck fat. Boil this on high heat. We want it to reduce to a thick, glossy syrup. Remove from the heat, take out the herbs, and whisk in a knob of cold butter. This gives it that restaurant-style shine. Sauce is ready. Meat is rested. Now the potatoes. I combine them all into one bowl. Look at that. I pour the clean, hot fat from the main basket right over them for extra richness. Give it a good toss. Time to slice. Listen to that skin. Juicy pink meat, golden crispy potatoes, and that vibrant orange glaze. This is how you turn a frozen duck breast into a Mediterranean feast. And finally, a sprinkle of fresh zest for a burst of aroma. If this made you hungry, please subscribe and hit the like button. Enjoy, and see you in the next video. Kali όρεξη!